Good day, I am Jacqueline Giampo, and here's my project proposal presentation entitled Training on Battle Bangus Production in 5 Municipalities in Camiguin Island. So the research agenda for my project proposal will be for fisheries product development. So this project will be conducted for over 16 months, and the implementing agency will be the Mindanao State University at Tawan, and this project will be cooperating with BFAR-10 and the 5 local government units of Camiguin, especially the Provincial Fisheries Office. The beneficiaries will be the local fishermen, fish vendors, community members, local entrepreneurs, and local government unit. So as we all know, bangus is one of the vital resource in the Philippines, especially its economic and cultural importance in the fishing industry. So for instance, bangus is one of the top aquaculture products. It is one of the common staple in Filipino cuisine. It also generates income and livelihood. And lastly, bangus is one of the main source of protein where consumers can easily get. So in Camiguin Island, the bangus production is steadily increasing and the broodstock can supply about 100 million eggs annually, so which in turn triple Northern Mindanao's bangus production. So in terms of market and commerce, bangus is one of the greatest volume of fish sold in the market, and today more of the harvested bangus are being processed into value-added forms, especially the bottled one. So, and by unlocking the potential of this bottled bangus, will eventually increase market demand, promote sustainability, and increase economic growth. However, this production of bottled bangus represent a huge unrealized potential for the island's economic growth. Furthermore, the current fish preservation techniques, which are chilled and frozen, are outdated and become more and more ineffective. And in addition, the exploration of the effective preservation methods while upholding high standard of food safety and quality has not received enough attention in current research. And therefore, this project will focus on aims to revolutionize the fishing sector in Camiguin Island by establishing comprehensive training program on bottled bangus production with these following objectives. So the target area of this project will be the 5 municipalities of the island, namely Mahinog, Mambahaw, Ginsiliban, Sagay, and Katarman. So the project targets to have 100 participants, so 20 participants each municipalities coming from diverse backgrounds including fishermen, vendors, business owners, and community members. So the project will cover various aspects of bottled bangus production, including processing techniques, quality assurance, and marketing. This project will use mixed research approach. For the initial phase, we have the quantitative data. So it uses CAP or the Knowledge Attitude Practice Survey to identify internal and external factors influencing the demand for bottled bangus. The second phase will be the qualitative data, which employs focus group discussion to understand the experiences and perspective of the participants. And lastly, for the final phase, we have the post-training survey after the conduct of the training program to assess the effectiveness of the training program. So here is the work plan for my project proposal, and every target areas that I have inputted here are perfectly aligned to our three specific objectives. So the expected output of the project for publication, the project will have one journal article drafted for submission to either in ISI's and Scopus Index Journal, one technical paper presented in scientific conference, for patent, one IEC material submitted for copyright, for product, launch of 200 bottles pilot batch of bottled bangus produced by participants. For people service, 100% of target participants are trained, 5 partners trained in data collection and analysis. For place and partnership, 7 approved memorandum of agreement with the various operating agencies. And for policies, the project will have manual recommendation on bottled bangus production, guidelines for utilization of fish byproducts, and or promote Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2000 ordinance for the fish byproduct. So the project will have positive potential impacts on social and environmental. For social impacts, the project will offer the target participants a range of skills and knowledge in various aspects of bottle bangus production with high standards of food safety and quality. For environmental impacts, the project will enhance the profitability and income of local fishers and entrepreneurs equipped with necessary skills and knowledge. So the estimated budget of the project will be divided into 3 components. So the budget allocates 1.9 million for personal services, 442,380 pesos for maintenance and operating expenses. And lastly, 217,112 pesos is allocated for equipment outlay. And that's it. Thank you for listening. I'm looking forward to your positive response regarding my project proposal. Thank you.